Hello everyone, I am Sandeep. I am here with another video. Let us discuss how importing in Python works. Importing in Python is the process of loading code from a Python module into the current script. This allows you to use the functions and variables defined in the module in your current script, as well as any additional modules that the imported module may depend on. To import a module in Python, we use the import statement followed by the name of the module. For example, to import the math module, which contains a variety of mathematical functions, we would use the following statement: import math. Once a module is imported, you can use any of the function and variables defined in the module by using the dot notation. For example, to use the square root function from the math module, we would write import math in the first line, and in the followed by lines, result is equal to math.sqrt of 9 and print result. Let me run this code in Visual Studio and show you the output. Here in Visual Studio, I created a Python file named demo Python. Let me import the math module. I am creating an object called result, and this object will store the square root of the number dot sqrt of, let me take a number 9, and I'm going to print the result. And let me save this file and run it. So here we got the output, which is 3. Square root of 9 is 3. Let us do it for 25. Save the file and run it. Here we got 25. Let us take input from the users. So, so take input from users. We will create a object called x, and this is equal to and save it. We run this. We have to enter a number. Let me enter 81, and the answer is 9. So this is how import works. Let us discuss about from keyword. You can also import a specific function or variable from a module using the from keyword. For example, to import only the sqrt function from the math module, we would write from math import sqrt. You can also import multiple functions or variables at once by separating them with a comma. The syntax goes like this: from math import sqrt, comma, py. Importing everything. It's also possible to import all the functions and variables from a module using asterisk wildcard. However, this is generally not recommended as it can lead to the confusion and make it harder to understand where specific functions and variables are coming from. The syntax of importing everything is like this: from math import star. The as keyword. Python also allows you to rename imported modules using the as keyword. This can be useful if you want to use a shorter or more descriptive name for a module, or if you want to avoid naming conflicts with the other modules or variables in your code. The syntax goes like this: import math as m or whatever you choose. The dir function. Finally, Python has built-in function called dir that you can use to view the names of all the functions and variables defined in the module. This can be helpful for exploring and understanding the contents of a new module. The syntax goes like this: import math and print dir of the module. This will output a result of all the names defined in the math module, including functions like sqrt and py, as well as other variables and constants. In summary, the import statement in Python allows you to access the functions and variables defined in a module within a current script. You can import the entire module, specific function or variables using the asterisk wildcard to import everything. You can also use the as keyword to rename a module and dir function to view the contents of a module. Let me show you all the variables and functions of the math module by printing them. Print dir of math. These are all the variables and functions you can use after importing from math module. Thank you everyone.